Hi friends, welcome to our channel Global Health Helpline. Now we will learn about a homeopathic medicine acetic acidum from the book Lectures on Homeopathic Meteria Medica by James Tyler Kent. Please subscribe our channel to be connected with us. Acetic acidum. Introduction. There is either diarrhea or constipation. With the latter he is rheumatic, with the former he is at his best, as when the diarrhea slacks up he is full of suffering. Generals. The diarrhea is his great relief, like natrum sulph, and zincum. Sharp pains here and there, but especially in ovaries and joints. This remedy is useful in complaints of pale, sickly people. Patients who have been weak for many years, who have inherited phthisis, emaciation, weakness, anemia. Loss of appetite, burning thirst and copious pale urine are a combination calling for acetic acid. Sensation of heat with pulsation coining and going, like orgasms, chlorosis in young girls, dropsical conditions in general. Bad effects from stings and bites, have been cured by this remedy. Vinegar is an old remedy for bad effects from chloroform. It is useful in the hemorrhagic constipation. Bleeding from various mucous membranes, nose, stomach, rectum, lungs and from ulcers. Sensitive to cold. Mind. Confusion of mind, does not know her own children, forgets what has recently happened, attacks of anguish, constantly borrows trouble, thinks something is going to happen, peevishness, complaining. Fainting spells in weak, anemic subjects, headaches, face pale and waxy, epistaxis, one cheek pale and the other red, diphtheria in throat or larynx, unquenchable thirst, sensitive stomach, vomiting blood, and all food taken. Ulceration of stomach, hot, sour erectations, frothy vomiting, gnawing pain, distension of stomach, with a constant commotion, burning in stomach and abdomen, ameliorated by lying on the stomach. Abdomen. In the abdomen there is great pain, distension, flatulence or dropsy, so to touch, diarrhea, thin, bloody or pure blood, profuse bleeding from piles, chronic diarrhea. Urines. Copious watery urine. It has cured diabetes, with sugar in the urine or without, where there is great thirst, weakness and pallor and loss of flesh. Genital. Weakness with seminal losses, relaxed genitals and swollen feet. Uterine hemorrhage, copious menses, or watery menstrual flow, scanty menses with chlorosis. Larynx and chest. Weakness of larynx, croup, diphtheria. It has cured many cases of laryngeal diphtheria, hoarseness with pale mucous membranes. Chronic dry, hacking cough in sickly, pale persons, such as have inherited phthisis, with edema of extremities, diarrhea and dyspnea, or night sweats, hemorrhage from the lungs, burning in chest and stomach. Rattling in chest, chronic bronchitis. Extremities. Weakness and lameness in extremities, with swelling, rheumatic or edematous, dropsy of limbs, with diarrhea. It is a deep-acting, constitutional remedy, and when well studied will be very useful. All substances abused as food become great remedies, such as vinegar, coffee, common salt, etc. We should look to them oftener than we do for the stubborn chronic cases.